Welcome to online class of St. Joseph Academy, Mariamnagar, Ghaziabad. Children, today we are going to do revision of chapter 16, Measures of Length of class 3rd Maths Junior book. I am your maths teacher Vijayalakshmi Naudiyal. And children, in the morning in the class, I will give you the test. And this video is to check out your answers by yourself. Now you can understand here more clearly. Let's see it. Now see the first question. How many meters are there in a kilometer? That means 1 kilometer has how many meters? So you will write 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, or you can say 1000 meters make 1 kilometer. Question 2. How many centimeters are there in a meter? Now 100 centimeters are there in a meter, or 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Then children, change. Now you have to do conversion. Conversion of units. 230 centimeters you have to change into meters. Now as you know, 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter, or 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now you have to change centimeters to meter, and that means going from smaller unit to bigger unit. So you will divide 230 centimeter by 100. The number of zeros are 2 here in the denominator. So on the numerator also you will count 2 digits from the right hand side. That will be your smaller unit, 30 centimeter, and the number before it will be in meters, bigger unit. Always you have to write bigger unit earlier than smaller unit. So your answer is 2 meter 30 centimeter. By long division method also you can see here, 230 centimeter divided by 100. Now divisor is also your 3-digit number and dividend is also your 3-digit number. Now read the table of 100. Now 100 2s are 200, 100 3s are 300. Now 300 will be bigger than 230 centimeter. So you will take 2 times. On the quotient you will write 2, and below you will write 200. Now 230 minus 200 will be 30 centimeter. Now your answer is in 2-digit number. Now it cannot be further divided as there is no number after that in the dividend. So 2 meter 30 centimeter will be your answer. Now see this B part. 6350 meters to kilometers. Again you have to change from smaller unit to bigger unit. Now you know 1000 meter makes 1 kilometer. So 6350 meters will be divided by 1000. When you will divide, you will get the answer 6 kilometer 350 meters. By long division method also you can see how it is. 4-digit numbers are there in the divisor and in the dividend. So you will read the table. 1000 ones are 1000, 1000 twos are 2000, like this. 6000. 1000 six are 6000. 1000 sevens are 7000. Now 7000 will be bigger than 6350. So you will take 6 times only. Now when you will subtract, you will get remainder as 350, which is a 3-digit number. Now further you cannot divide it. So it will be in meters, and quotient part will be your kilometers. And the second way, you can count down the zeros given in the denominator. Same way you will count down the number of digits given on the numerator, and that will be your meter part, and the number before it will be your kilometer part. Now 1596 centimeters to meters and centimeters you have to convert. Again from smaller unit to bigger unit. But you know here 100 centimeter makes 1 meter. Now 1596 centimeter will be divided by 100. Here 2 zeros are there in the denominator. So from the right, in the numerator also you have to count down 2 digits. So 96 will be your centimeter and 15 will be your meter. By long division method also you can see here 100 ones are 100. From 159 you will subtract 100. You will get 59. Then you will bring down the next number 6. It will become 596 now. Now it has become 3-digit number. Now you can divide it. 100 5s are 500. 100 6s are 600. 600 will be bigger than 596. So you will take 5 times. 100 5s are 500. Now you subtract. You will get 96 as remainder, and quotient part will be your 15 meter. So answer is 15 meter 96 centimeter. Then children, D part, 4081 meters you have to change into kilometers and meters. Now same process you have to follow here. 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. 4081 meter will be divided by 1000. So number of zeros in the denominator are 3. So on the numerator also you will count 3 digits. 81 will be your meter and 4 will be your kilometer. So total answer is 4 kilometer, 81 meter. And by long division method also you see, 1000 fours are 4000. When you will subtract 81, you will get as a remainder. And 4 is your quotient, which is in kilometers. Bigger unit you will write on the quotient and smaller unit you will write in remainder part. Now E part 12 kilometer to meters. Now here you have to change from bigger unit to smaller unit. So you will do multiplication. You know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So 12 kilometer will be 12 into 1000. It will be equal to 12,000 meters. Now children, see the third A part. Solve 46 kilometer 80 meter, 168 kilometer 9 meter, 603 meters. Now make the column of kilometers and meters separately. Now the digit written as kilometer, that you will write in the kilometer part, and the digit written on the meter part that you have to write on the meter column. Now add. Always start from the right hand side. 9 plus 3 is 12. So 2 you will write in the answer part and 1 as carry. 1 plus 8 is 9 and 6 plus 0 is 6. So meter part you will get 692. Now kilometer part, 6 plus 8 is 14. So 4 in the answer part and 1 as carry. Now 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. Now 1 in the answer part and 1 as carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now 214 kilometer, 692 meters. Then B part children. 647 meter, 42 centimeter minus 95 meter, 35 centimeter. Now from 2 you cannot subtract 5. So you will borrow 1 from 4 and it will become 12. Now 12 minus 5 is 7. And then 4 is reduced to 3. So 3 minus 3 is 0. So on centimeter side you will get 7. Then come towards meter part. 7 minus 5 is 2. Now from 4 you cannot subtract 9. So borrow 1 from 6. It will become 14. Now 14 minus 9 is 5. And 6 is reduced to 5 and there is no number below it. So write down in the answer also 5. So total answer is 552 meters 7 centimeter. Now see the C part. 168 kilometer 735 meter divided by 7. Now 1 in the number is written in the division part. First number is your 1, which you cannot divide it. So you will take another number. It will become 16 now. Now 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. 21 is bigger than 16. So take 2 times. Write 2 on the quotient. 7 2s are 14. Now 16 minus 14 is 2. Then take the another number. It will become 28 now. 28 comes in the table of 7 4 times. So write 4 on the quotient and then write 28 below. Now 28 minus 28 is 0. After that kilometer is written. So write down kilometer on the quotient also. Then next number is 7. Now 7 1s are 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. After that 3 is there. So 3 cannot be divisible by 7. So what you will do? Write 0 above and then bring down the next number 5. It will become 35. Now 7 5s are 35. Now meter is written. Write down meter above also. So your answer is 24 kilometer 105 or 105 meters. Then see children, B part 28 meter 16 centimeter multiplied by 5. Now 5 6 are 30. 0 you will write in the answer part. 3 as carry. Now 5 1s are 5 plus 3 carry is 8. So 80 centimeter. Then come towards meter part. 5 8s are 40. Write 0 in the answer part and 4 as carry. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. So meter part you will get 140. So total answer is 140 meter 80 centimeter. Now we will solve the word problems. A pencil is 15 centimeter long. What is the total length of the same 3 pencils? Now children, here what is asked, that 3 pencils are there. All the 3 pencils are of equal length, that is 15 centimeter. You have to tell total length of the pencil of all the 3 pencils. So first you will write the length of the pencil, that is 15 centimeter. Then you will write the number of pencils, that is 3. Now because it is repeated one, same length is given, so you will multiply. 15 3s are 45 centimeter. So total length of pencils given is 45 centimeter. Then second question, I have a rope that is 560 centimeter long. What will be the length of each piece if I cut it into 10 equal pieces? It means total length of the rope is 560 centimeter and you are going to cut it into 10 equal pieces. Now when you will cut it into 10 equal pieces, you have to tell here what is the length of each piece. Each piece means you are going to divide it. One piece it is asking. So you will write total length of the rope 560 centimeter. Total number of pieces are 10 here. Then the length of the each piece you will divide it. 560 centimeter divided by 10. Now answer is 56 centimeter. As number of 0 in the denominator is given 1, so that 0 will be cut down by the numerator also, because 1 0 is there in the numerator also. In this way also you can do, or by the long division method also you can do. 10 5 is 50. 56 minus 50 is 6. After that 0 is there, bring it down. 10 6 is 60. So your remainder is 0 and your quotient is 56. So length of each piece of rope is 56 centimeter. Now children, third question. Yesterday I ran 3 kilometers. This morning I ran 9,000 meters. How many kilometers did I run in total? Now children, total is asked. So what you will do? You will do addition. But here unit is given differently. Yesterday I ran 3 kilometers. It is given in kilometers here. But this morning I ran 9,000 meters. Now here it is given in meters. And the question it is asking in kilometers. How many kilometers did I run? So what you will do, you will convert meters into kilometer first. So first you write down distance traveled yesterday, that is 3 kilometer. Distance traveled today in the morning, that is 9,000 meters. This you convert into kilometers by dividing it by 1000. So 9,000 divided by 1000 will be 9 kilometers. Okay. Then you will total both the distance 3 kilometer and 9 kilometer. You will get 12 kilometer. So total distance I run is 12 kilometer. Children, as now you have checked your answers. The morning paper, what you have done, you have checked your answers, understood it, how you have to do it. Now there is a homework for you. You have to revise chapter 17, that is measures of weight. So tomorrow you will get the test paper of chapter 17. So practice for it. With this, thank you.